Have you ever found yourself with cash in hand, needing to get it into your Westpac account, but aren't quite sure of the easiest way to make it happen? You're not alone. While online banking and digital payments have become the norm, sometimes a physical deposit is still the most convenient or necessary option. Whether it's cash from a side hustle, a gift, or just emptying your coin jar, knowing the different ways to deposit money with Westpac can save you time and hassle. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can deposit money into your Westpac account, covering all the common methods so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. We'll explore everything from using a branch to the convenience of smart ATMs, and even touch on depositing checks. By the end of this video, you'll be a Westpac deposit pro. Let's dive into the most traditional method first, depositing at a Westpac branch. This is probably the most straightforward way, especially if you prefer face-to-face interaction or have a complex deposit to make. Simply head to your nearest Westpac branch during business hours. You'll need your Westpac debit card or account details. If you're depositing cash, the teller will count it and process the transaction for you. For checks, you'll usually need to fill out a deposit slip. The great thing about branch deposits is that you can get immediate confirmation of your transaction. Next up, and increasingly popular for its convenience, are Westpac Smart ATMs. These aren't just for withdrawing cash. Many of them allow you to deposit both cash and checks. To deposit cash, simply insert your Westpac debit card and select the deposit option. The machine will then prompt you to insert your notes into the designated slot. The Smart ATM counts the cash and displays the amount for your confirmation. Once confirmed, the money is usually credited to your account instantly. It's quick, secure, and you can often do it outside of branch hours. Depositing checks via a Smart ATM is just as easy. After selecting the deposit option, choose Check and insert your check into the slot. The ATM will scan the check and display an image for you to verify. Keep in mind that while the deposit is immediate, the funds from a check may take a few business days to clear, depending on the amount and the issuing bank. Another method, particularly useful if someone else is depositing money into your account, is a direct deposit or bank transfer. While not a deposit money with Westpac in the sense of physically handing over cash, it's a crucial way funds enter your account. Someone can transfer money directly from their bank account to yours using your BSB and account number. This is incredibly common for salary payments, bill splitting, or receiving money from friends and family. Finally, for businesses or individuals dealing with large volumes of cash, Westpac also offers bulk deposit facilities. These often involve specialized bags and dedicated services, but for the average user, the branch and Smart ATM options will be your go-to. Understanding these different methods empowers you to choose the most efficient way to get your money into your Westpac account, fitting seamlessly into your busy life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.